Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your EBT SNAP card to the Sprouts app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add your EBT SNAP card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Sprouts app. Next, click on More on the bottom right hand corner. Then on this page here, you want to go ahead and click on Account Settings. Then click on EBT SNAP Info. Then click on Add EBT SNAP Card. Click on EBT SNAP, and then this is where you can actually go ahead and enter your EBT SNAP card, and there you have it. That right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your EBT SNAP card to the Sprouts app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.